Hello friends, we are in Adelphi now.
Oh, that's even nice.
So we are going to
Adelphi Sanctuary.
the Adelphi Sanctuary, where the oracles started religion.
Adelphi.
Oracle of Adelphi, of Delphi. Parang future ano siya, manghuhula sa Tagalog. Fortune teller. Ang unang panahon before Christ. Before Christianity. See, look at this. Those plants down there were all olives.
They've probably been there for 3,000 years.
3,000 years now, yeah. When you see the trunks of the olives, oh my God, they have a hard life na rin.
And look, you can see the canal, the water. See the blue down there?
Oh, okay, yeah. They're conserving really their ang ganda ng irrigation nila. They conserve, they have way like cemented to
They're really aqueducts.
yeah, aqueducts to put all the ice so that yung mga tubig
The water.
dadaan in those like lines na nasimento, and then they will go into a dam. Kaya ang galing. See, look at this. All olives coming here from all here in even in Albania. Yeah, babe? Even in Albania, all olives. Olives here talaga dito sa Europe. Especially dito na sa Italy. Thousands of olive trees. The mountains or hills were very productive because it's all planted with olives. And 1,000 years na daw din. One of the best din daw dito sa Delphi, yung archaeological site na yun. Oracle Adelphi of Adelphi. See, look at this. Wow. What's that? Drone?
That's the whole site.
Yeah.
Right, all the way up. From down there,
It's
up
a
there.
drone.
What was that? Maybe a jet.
This is a site?
Yes.
At the back or what?
At the back and the front.
Oh. Front at back side of the it's like a village. And
No, it's not a village. It's like a temple complex.
yeah, it's a temple complex.
No, it's not houses.
Oh, temple complex. Wala. Religious people before come here to have that reading of the future. Fortune teller before Christ. Olives yung mga trees na yan. At saka mountainous nga, kaya curvy ang daan. And tunnel. Imagine just to cross, to penetrate that mountains. Talagang they built tunnels so that you can cross those mountains. Oh, it's so beautiful. What place is that, babe? The beautiful tall mountains?
Lots of Greece, northern Greece.
No, from Albania when we are cruising.
From
Cruising
Where do we
coming
go from?
here. So when we're coming here na, I first in Greece and then coming.
in Greece, it was from Igoumentia.
Yeah, Igoumentia.
Then crossing here.
Oh, dito na mag-i-start. What's this one? Okay. So, we will start our
Okay.
tour in this oracle of Delphi. Bye.